Okay, this is looking really good. Those are looking a lot better. Just looking at how these are intersecting, I might spread that out a little bit. Um, you might want to give yourself a little bit more geometry for the eyelid, and also kind of more carefully have it wrap around the eye. It sort of looks like the eyeball sort of just plopped in there. And I think you want to form the eyelids to kind of fit over the eye. So that's just taking these one at a time and adjusting them. Just use the. Sometimes if you use the arrow keys, you can pick walk. But yeah, see, it's not entirely reliable as in this case. But yeah, I'm feeling like these are pulled too far back. Yeah, and definitely here. And I feel like you could, this is, well, I think you could probably use another one here. Ooh, why does that break there? Oh, because of this guy. Yeah, well, maybe do one here and hook it up with that. And, just so you can form the shape a little bit better here. Yeah, actually, some of these could move back a little bit, huh? Just make sure I'm not selecting on the back of them. Oh yeah, be careful. Maybe I should turn on back face culling. It's still getting it because that little bit there. Anyway. Whoops. Anyway, I think, I don't have to model this for you, but I think, pull these forward and maybe, I think you could probably use another one here too. And tuck these down. I just, really take your time and kind of shaping this to the eyeball. And then you could probably use another loop around here, and you could, maybe you want to bulge this out a bit. Once you do that, W, left mouse click, axis, normal, and pull these out, so, and you can maybe even more, just because you actually want a fair amount of geometry. Maybe we can do the opposite. We can tuck these in. Let's start. I think maybe not these, but so see how it's starting to look a little bit more like an eyelid now. Anyway, it deserves some time and attention. Something's a little funny about the lips. I think you need to build a mouth cavity. So Control E, W, hey. Oh, let me just reset the move tool here. Okay. Just move these up. Whoops. I'm just gonna select that top row. I'm deselecting that bottom row. Why does it keep doing that? I don't know. Well, it's not working so well. I'll just move them one at a time. Can middle mouse drag too. Might speed things up a little bit. Anyway, and then pull it back again. Control E and then W, and then maybe add a loop here, and maybe take this and scale it down, and etc. Maybe I'll flatten it this way. Actually, that could probably be flattened that way too. Maybe scale it a little bigger there. Control E again, pull that back. And so on. I mean, that could be a little neater, but anyway, now he has a mouth cavity. And this is looking... I don't know, the edge of this lip looks just really sharp to me. Oh, why won't it slide that? Oh, yeah, there's two edges exactly on top of each other, which is a bit sharp, so there should be at least some, and I might roll this one back into the mouth a little bit. Whoop. It's a little better. And then maybe you want to, you could probably add, now that you have that one, maybe we could give the lips a little bit more. I'm going to deselect these. Kind of similar to what I did with the eyelids, where go to W, left mouse, access normal, and pull these out just to give these a little bit more just thickness, I guess. Slide edge. I can try to do that again now that I have a little more detail. I feel like you might need another loop here, actually. There, those are starting to be a little more like lips. Shirt looking fine. I'm not real fond of these triangles. I don't think that's helping you, so I would probably just do that and that, and then that, shift right mouse click to lead edge. Okay. And the pants look pretty good. Looks a little bit like his knees are pointing outward. You might want to see if sort of straighten those out a little bit. The boots are a little boxy. I would try kind of rounding out the top some. Maybe like that, and maybe these could go up a little bit. Maybe these could go back some. Oops. Rounding out from that angle as well. These could maybe get tucked in and etc. They just need some shaping. Just because they're very boxy right now. And is this an instance? Is that what's going on here? Looks like it. Yeah, so you're going to have to make that not an instance. Just select. What is going on with this? It's both instance and one is parented to the other. That's weird. Well, and either way, you're going to have to modify, convert instance to object. Oh, it did not like that. Maybe because of the parenting. Let me just unparent. Wow, that's weird. What the heck is going on? Why can't I pick these separate? Are they combined as well? Is that even possible? No? What the heck? You know what I would do is this. Oh, probably won't let me do that either. What is going on with these guys? I can't. It's weird. It's like. So I can see they both have the same shape note, which is a normal thing if it's an instance. Anyway, I think we'll just have to do it this way. Do modify, convert, instance to object, and that gets rid of one, which is actually progress. And then DX, middle mouse snap, Control D, let's freeze transformations, modify, freeze transformations, and then scale -1 in the X. Okay. And yeah, the hair's cute. That's interesting. I might try to kind of tuck the ends into the head like you have, like on this one. Oh, don't combine these. That's going to make it hard to deal with the... I don't know why everybody likes combining everything. It's sort of like this one, where just tuck the bottom of these into the head, I think. So... kind of like that. I think it would be better for all of those. Maybe make them thicker, maybe a little shorter. I don't know, they're kind of cute that way, but I do think tucking them, the ends into the head would be better. But yeah, overall very good. Cute character, I think it should work well. Maybe point the knees a little more in.